Hello students, good morning. Today I am counseling to all the new students who currently pursuing the BA BCom degrees. So today my topic is the digital marketing is the better option for your career. So yes, digital marketing is the growing industries right now. So the students who are pursuing, I mean the BA and BCom, those also go for the digital marketing. So uh, in digital marketing, I mean MSc students or the engineering students also selecting digital marketing as an career right now. And due to this pandemic period, many students are confused. I mean, they don't know what is the future career, what course what course they should, I mean, do. So students, digital marketing is the growing industries right now. Everybody is doing digital marketing. So I am suggesting the digital marketing is the best option for your career. So here I am showing one small example what is means what is the digital marketing and how the common people use the digital marketing, right? I mean the for use the I mean how the common person use the digital marketing to generate some leads or help him in their business. So I'm selected a real estate industry currently. So I'm telling you today that how one real estate broker or one real estate agent can use this digital marketing platform organically to generate the leads or to improve his presence on the internet. So friends, I am going to share one PPT right now. Yes. So here is the PPT, digital marketing as an career. So uh, right, I said that digital marketing is the rapidly growing and developing career path. So digital marketing is the best option right now I'm to entered into. So you can choose digital marketing as a career path. So here I am showing one simple example that digital marketing for real estate, how the common, I mean how the property agent or the property broker can use the digital marketing to generate some leads or increase their presence. Now the real estate agent or the real estate broker does not have good qualification or does not have good in, I mean the communication, or but still he can go for the digital marketing. Still he can use some platforms digitally, right? How he can utilize digital marketing to generate some leads or go online, go I mean uh, to have his business online. So few tools, like he can use the Facebook, he can use the WhatsApp, he can use the SMS, he can use the emailer. So basically these I mean the emailers, SMS, WhatsApp, these also I mean the digital platforms only. These are the digital channels only. So he can use these platforms as to publish his brand on the internet. So he just have to know how to use the internet. Obviously right now, I mean everybody knows the Facebook. So everybody using the Facebook and Instagram for the entertainment purpose. But do you know the Facebook and Instagram having the huge crowd. So we can target them, we can advertise them our product on the Facebook and Instagram. So Facebook and Instagram, you will have, I mean, you can create your profile, business page and all, and you can create your post. So these are the basic things you can, I mean, you can promote your business on this on these social platforms. So along with this, the real estate agent can use his database, I mean his collected database, to promoting his properties. How he can do this? He can send simple SMS. He can take the SMS tool. He can message the message about the new property to his previous customer or the database he have. Again he can send the WhatsApp also. WhatsApp, right now, WhatsApp, I mean WhatsApp is the paid tool. You can have the credits on the WhatsApp, and you can send WhatsApp images or the SMS as much as you can. So he can promote, I mean, his new property through SMS, WhatsApp, emailers. So these are the basic, I mean, basic terms he can use. I mean, basic platforms he can use for promoting his business or get into the online. So this is one simple example of the real estate market. So likewise, so many industries are, I mean, in this pandemic hardly we go outside. We ordered everything online. I mean, even the groceries, even the electronic products and all. So everybody wants their presence online right now, so they are selling the products or services online only. So that is the reason the digital marketing is the growing industry right now. The open market, the, I mean, the malls and mall space are converting, I mean, the users diverting into the malls through malls and shops to online. So users now prefer to buy everything online only. So for example, I have one shop, I have one for example, I have one a sunglasses shop. So I wanted to buy my sunglasses online. So what the basic things I wanted to know? So the basic things is where I can sell my sunglasses. So I can sell my sunglasses through my website, through Amazon, through Flipkart and all. So to having my presence on the website, on the LinkedIn, sorry, on the Flipkart, on the Amazon, I need the digital marketing help. So everybody wants right now the digital marketing presence. So digital marketing is the best career option to all the students right now. So as I said कि BA वाला students भी, I mean, who is pursuing the BA or BCom, they can also go for the digital marketing. You just have to, I mean, know the basic understanding of the digital marketing, basic understanding of how the digital marketing works. So you can go for one, I mean, any course for the digital marketing, any certification course for the digital marketing, and you can I mean, be a good digital marketer. So I'll give you the basic information what is the digital marketing and how I mean what kind of courses available in the market. So in my next video, in my next tutorial, I'll show you I'll share you few, I mean, good courses in digital marketing. Right now we have currently, I mean, the some few universities offering MBA as well in digital marketing. So you can do MBA in digital marketing as well. So in my next tutorial, in my next video, I'll share you some more digital marketing inputs, and I'm the more digital marketing information. So thank you, students. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and share. Thank you. Thanks a lot.